Here we are, we're going to prepare our new downlight for installation in the ceiling. Take off the package, undo the cable tie, and now our light's ready for installation into the ceiling. Here we go, this is what's inside the downlight, and see these two springs? They're inside the ceiling, holding the downlight into its position so it's nice and flush against the ceiling. So when you pull it out, these two springs are in this position. So what we need to do is get our hand in there and hold one of the springs. You don't need to hold both, just hold one of the springs back. So then when you're holding this spring back with your hand as you pull the downlight out, you can release the spring and pull it out of the hole. This other spring on the other side will stay up against the hole. And then as you gently ease it out of the ceiling, you can release this spring down to its position against the light, and it's not going to cause any harm. If you forget to do this, what could happen, it's like a little mouse trap, and that spring will slam on your finger and it's not real good. All right? Here we're going to change a recessed downlight from in the ceiling. So first thing we're going to do is just get our fingers under here. Now make sure you've washed your hands before you start doing this so you don't get grubby fingerprints all over the ceiling. So we've released this downlight, and you can see my fingers fit in this little recessed gap here. So we're going to gently pull it down until we can feel the spring, and then we're going to need to release the pressure of the spring so we can get the downlight out. All right, here we are. We're releasing the pressure of the spring on one side. We'll just let that loose and then gently ease the light out. And then we're going to pull the cable down, just gently easing it out. Here's the plug. That's plugged into the light. This is the plug. There's the power point. Just gently ease that out. Put that aside, give the light to your assistant, and grab the new light. So next we're going to have to plug in the new light, so just hold the plug socket, ease the light in. Now this light's got three settings. We're going to turn it on to this setting, which matches the other lights in the room, which is the crystal white. So next we're going to feed the cable back up into the roof. So it's just out of the road, ease that up there. Fold back the two springs, put it into the ceiling, and gently ease it into position, and the springs will lock it into place. And that's it. Thank you for watching How To with Michael. If you like my video, give it a share and give us a like.